Hello everybody, today I'm going to be working on this kumquat tree. I've had this for a few years and I've been growing it in this clay pot. I've noticed that the soil level is really low, so today I'm going to pull this out and add soil to the bottom of the pot and put the tree back in. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest all the fruits. They're all ready to be harvested anyway, so I'm just going to take care of that first. And while at it, I'm going to do some light pruning. I'm trimming this tree. I'm cutting some water shoots. This is a water shoot because the thickness, see how the branch is flat like this and it's growing straight up. So I'm going to cut this. Alright, let's see. Pull this tree out. Some soil. Put this back. I've noticed that after growing plants in containers for a few years, the soil level naturally starts to get lower. Some of the soil washes out when I water, and some of it just settles over time. So every few years, I like to add fresh soil back to the container to restore the soil level. It's a simple bit of maintenance that helps keep the plant healthy and make watering more effective. There we go, that's much better.